Hi, I'm Mark Granberry, CEO of GSG. Each year we host a charity golf tournament in honor of my dad, who passed away from pancreatic cancer in 2001. This tournament raises money to go to an organization called PanCan, which PanCan raises money to give grants to research scientists to hopefully find a cure and/or treatments for pancreatic cancer. Last year we raised over $100,000, and this year, being the 25th anniversary, we're looking for a big turnout of people, and we know it'll sell out quickly, so we ask that you sign up soon, and we look forward to seeing you out there, and let's all do our part to try to find a cure for this really tough cancer.
Thank you again for being here. It's so great to see all of you. It's just amazing to see friends and how all of you have been touched by the C word at some point. And so that's what we're here to do, is try to have a lot more survivors and do all we can to eliminate this horrible disease. This is a record turnout. We want to play as fast as possible, but I hope you guys have a lot of fun. Hit them straight.
Our 5-year survival rate in 1996, when my mother was diagnosed, was 4%. Today, because of the work that you all have allowed us to do, that number is up to 12%.